What if you choose the wrong cybersecurity path? In this video, I'm going to show you why that fear is actually what keeps most people stuck and how to move past it. My name is Kimberly Simon, and I help non-technical professionals find and start cybersecurity careers without needing to code. One of the biggest things that holds people back is not the lack of skill. It's this very question: what if I pick the wrong path? So instead of choosing, they stay in research mode. They watch videos. They compare all the different options. They try to understand everything. And it feels responsible. It feels like you're being careful. But here's the problem. Not choosing is actually slowing you down. It's the slowest path into cybersecurity. Let me explain it in a simple way. Think about standing at a crossroads. You have four possible directions, and you stand there analyzing, trying to figure out which path would be perfect for you. Which path should you take out of these four? Meanwhile, someone else just walks up, they pick a path, pick one, and then they just start walking. And then they adjust as they go. Who moves forward faster? Who gets to where they're going faster? Cybersecurity works in the same way. There's no perfect starting path, especially if you're transitioning from another career. There's only a starting point, because once you begin, you get feedback, you learn what fits, you learn what doesn't fit, you learn what feels natural. And that's something you can't figure out when you're thinking alone. You actually have to move. Now, here's what makes this easier. You're not choosing randomly. There are patterns that you can follow. Some roles are better for you in cybersecurity if you like structure, or if you prefer clear guidelines and enjoy keeping things organized. And then there are some cybersecurity roles that fit better if you like analyzing information, you like spotting patterns, you like figuring things out. And then there are other roles that work if you enjoy communication and working with people, helping teams improve. So you don't have to guess, you just have to align. And that's what matters. Choosing a path is not a lifetime decision. Don't misunderstand. You are not getting stuck. It's just a starting decision. You can adjust, you can move, you can refine, but you can't do any of that until you start, until you actually move. So if you've been feeling stuck trying to figure it all out, where do I fit? Which role should I do? And you're just it's in that loop, it might be time to just move. So here's what you need to do. Pick a direction that makes sense right now. It's not perfect. It's not final. It's just aligned enough for you to begin. Because momentum creates clarity, not the other way around. And if you want a structured way to narrow down which direction makes sense for you, I can help with that. There's a simple assessment that you can take called Cybersecurity Role Finder. I'll put the link below. It asks you a bunch of questions about how you like to work, what you're trying to do, and then it matches you to cybersecurity roles, and then it gives you some ideas of like how much they pay, whether they're remote, whether they're in office, all of that good stuff. And then you should just pick one and start moving towards that role. Do not get stuck in indecision. My name is Kimberly Simon. If you are not already following me, follow me for more information on how to get into cybersecurity without needing to code or without needing to be technical. See you in the next video.